What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the stock market. So for the video, I'm going to show you guys the free stocks I have gotten from my friends or family members. The whole point of this video is to show you what type of stocks you get from referring. So I have about 20 free stocks. I have not invested anything at all, just free cash. I have about $56, and I started obviously with $0, but now up to 56. The whole point of this video is that anyone can start the stock market. Just use common sense, but you never want to get your information from someone that's not reliable. Just because right now I'm also a beginner, but I'm in a finance class and I have family members that are taking stocks, and I know people that take who are really into the stock market. So it's something I want to try, and I want to encourage a lot of people to consider. So I'll put my link below, so hopefully you and I could both get some free stocks. And normally the cash you get from Robinhood is about $2 to maybe $8, and sometimes you get more than one share. So I have 4 shares of GoPro. You'll see in the upcoming clips. So make sure you guys during this quarantine do something, learn something new. That's what I have been doing. I have been trying how to do the stock market. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Just subscribe to my channel and enjoy the next upcoming clip. Okay, pick any 3. Just one you can pick. Just pick one of these 3, and they'll tell you which one.
This one?
Whatever you think is good enough. Scrub.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh, I got the same thing. GoPro. Oh, it's probably low.
Ugh.
I got 270.
Damn, sad.
You got 2 cents higher than me.